Don't throw away the leftover oranges and peels at home. Collected to make organic liquid fertilizer. That's the green enzyme. Enzyme. It is a substance that is more advocated for planting now, because it is both environmentally friendly and safe. And the fruits and vegetables grown taste good. The flowers and plants raised are very beautiful. Friends who love planting, they all like to use different melon peels by themselves. Make some enzymes to use. But this video, the key is to talk about orange peel enzyme. Its production process, simple operation, fail as soon as you learn. It's very easy to collect orange peels this season. First, you cut up the orange peel with a knife. It is best not to have oil for knives and cutting boards. Otherwise, it will affect the later fermentation effect. Add a little brown sugar or yeast powder. Can accelerate the fermentation reaction. The ratio of orange peel to water should not be too deliberate. Packed in a bottle in a ratio of about 1 to 3. A little more or a little less makes little difference. It's just that the concentration of fermented enzymes is different. It is recommended to use transparent plastic containers here. Good for observation. Enzyme fermentation. It produces gas. So be sure not to fill it up too much. And deflate every now and then. If you have a wall breaker at home, then we'd better break the peel into a pulp. This allows for faster and more complete fermentation. Orange peels are thicker and harder. It doesn't ferment as easily as banana peels. Personally, I think this approach would be better. After beating it like jam, the mouth of the bottle is relatively small. You funnel it in. In the same way, add water and brown sugar. There is still room on the bottle. And finally close the lid. Put it on the balcony or roof. After 2 days, obviously, you can see the broken orange peel. The water is thicker, and there are more bubbles. And the orange peels are still floating on the water. This is what it looks like after 40 days of fermentation. The water's getting cloudier. After opening, not only does it not stink, and the smell of orange. If you want to know if the enzyme is fermented, you can look at it in 2 ways. This is orange peel enzyme fermented 2 months ago. All the orange peels sank to the bottom. The water in the bottle is darker. Shake it a few times with your hands. The foam on it will soon disappear. You can leave it if you can't use it up at one time. The longer the fermentation period, the higher the concentration. Enzyme molecules will be smaller. Plants are easier to absorb. So when we're done, how to use it correctly? General irrigation use. It is about 30 to 50 times diluted to water. Its characteristic is that the fermented enzyme is slightly acidic. Can improve soil pH. Effectively prevent frequent watering of tap water. Caused soil alkalization compaction. Saline alkaline water stains on the roots like this. You should pour a little orange enzyme. For some plants that like acidic soil. The icing on the cake. Like blueberries, roses, gardenias, etc. If used as foliar fertilizer, you need to add more than 100 times the water. Can make plant leaves shinier. Green. At the same time, orange peel contains essential oil. It also has a certain deworming effect. Speaking of which, the essential oil in orange peel, it has a very powerful deodorizing effect. Usually we ferment other melon peels. Or when washing rice water. If you are afraid of stench, just add some orange peel. Did you learn it?